Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Today we're going to be talking about what we do when things are setting too fast for us. Before we just start, if you could do us a favour and hit subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. Alright, so here I have some catalyst. If you've already gone down to 1% catalyst and the resin is still going off too fast, there's a number of things you can still do to slow things down. Number one you can do is you can work at the ends of the day or the start of the day where the temperature is lower. If that's not a possibility, you can use some inhibitor in the job. This is another product that actually eats some of the catalyst. You just have to be very careful with how much you put in though, because it's very powerful stuff. And if you put too much in, then it won't go off for a long time. Another thing you can do is you can get more people to help you on the same job so that the job gets done faster, and that way it doesn't catch you. Or you can make sure that you use less amounts at a time. So you just mix up smaller amounts. If you've been mixing up 1 kilo at a time, you only mix up half a kilo at a time. You work with the material that you've used, you roll it out, and then you go and mix some more. And then that gives you more time. Thanks very much for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful. See you on the next video.